What's your name, brother? Where are you from?
My name is Dr. Abdurrahman Saleh Abu Bakr from Nigeria.
Yeah, thank you. What's about this program? What's your opinion? What's the impact of this program?
Well, this is just like a normal conference that we attend globally in different sectors. And this happens to be on agriculture, on conference on self-sufficiency Afghanistan. So we came here to attend the conference and to also learn from other experts that come from other countries and to present our research that we have done on the Afghan agriculture so that it can attain self-sufficiency.
What about the program? This is the first time to attend a big program in Afghanistan.
Yes.
Are you happy?
Of course, I am very happy with the hospitality shown to us right from the airport to our accommodation and to the conference hall, and in general the people of Afghanistan are very hospitable and welcoming, and we really appreciate it, and we've never seen something like that.
The program will be effective?
Of course, it will be effective because in other countries, when such conferences are done, the best presentations are taken and presented to policy makers so that they can provide solutions to the current problem of agriculture so that they can attain self-sufficiency.
Thank you.
Yes.